Don't hold it, boy.
Kato siya, kato ay attentive. Kato lang, kita siya.
Oh my God. Look at the mouth.
Picture sa ka.
Dagay ko wipes,
Goyoko.
kay gitrapuhan
Goyoko.
kong ko.
Goyoko.
Padasa.
Goyoko.
Dagay ko wipes kay gitrapuhan.
Oh my God. There you go. Oh my God.
Wayay.
Hi mga palangga and welcome back to my channel. So for those who don't know me yet, this is your one only palangga. It's me, Rocky, and the question is, what's in this vlog today? So this time mga palangga, I'll be bringing you to another travel vlog as we are going to explore and see the different animals here in Cebu Safari and Adventure Park. Let's go! So we're moving na to check the White Lion Safari. White Lion Safari? Sakto ko? Not sure. But we'll be moving to another tramp na pod.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of the wild. What if di wala na available nga lang tramp your car? Okay ra kani.
Di sugta nila yung alaw ano eh. Mauna sa tayo, di ilahan na.
Where are you going this time?
I'm going to
White Lion? Is it weird? There's a white lion?
This really a white lion. This is a white lion.
Okay, for real. There's gonna be a white lion experience. Here, of course, sa Cebu Safari and Adventure Park. So sorry if sometimes mo dark ko ha. Okay,
So I are
here we go. So we're getting inside na. And we're going to move to another tramp. So this is a tramp that we're going to memorize.
right or kanang lion.
So everyone's so excited already.
Yes.
Auntie Catherine,
See the lion.
there you go. Auntie Catherine is
Always
excited.
reaction.
You've been standing while tram is moving and clear flash photography. So thank you so much. So here in Safari, we have a 6 lions, 3 lions from France and 3 lions from Germany. Originally from Africa. And we don't release it together, it's because they are territorial. So are the 3 lions who came from Germany. So they are all boys, their siblings, and they are 6 years old. Which means that they are cab and babies. So they will mature at the age of 7 and they will go louder when they are already mature. So the lions here were arrived in the Philippines since 2018. So if you are wondering why they call white lion, but the color is brown, it's because they are not albinos. So they're just leucistic animals. So when we say leucistic, which means lack of pigmentation, that's why they are not fully white. And they can adapt the climate or the environment where they are staying. So they are here in the Philippines, and we all know that the most part of our country is hot, and it is just natural that the color of their skin is brown. Pag bago na abot din sa safari, ang color sa lion is light white, gina-change into brown.
So it's not because
It's because
while
of
ligo?
our light.
It's
Yes,
not because
ma'am.
while ligo.
Yes, ma'am.
That's one reason, right? Because they don't. Alam mo na brown.
The lion roars can be heard for up to 5 miles away or equivalent to 8 to 10 kilometers once they are fully matured. When the lions can produce a large sounds, it's because they have a square-shaped vocal cords. Unlike the other
That's a bird call. Hindi po. Wow. Pakita sa siyang ano, Jewel. Pantera Leo.
So bye-bye. Why you're scared of lion, white lion?
Lion so bite.
The lion will bite? But we're inside the Kualman safe cage man. So we're moving na to another good spot which we don't know yet. Kasi makita na ako, but by 1:45 we're going to attend the bird show. Birdie show. So bye for now. We're going to see a lot of turtles balik to. So it's bird show time mga palangga. We're going to witness the bird show here live sa Cebu Safari and Adventure Park. So it's bird show time mga palangga. We're going to witness the bird show here live sa Cebu Safari and Adventure Park. So this is gonna be our spot. Babaw ta? Or dire? Oh, we'll go there na lang oh. Here lang siguro oh. Better view dire, Yoks. Oh, here it is. So this is gonna be our spot for the bird show later. We'll start at 1:45 p.m. and Yuko is here. Of course, and Mr. Raikuli is here. And Mamiya is here. And everyone's here.
Where's your hat?
There's a sweat na boy.
I know you're the sleepy boy. Nagdadaman na.
Can't wait for the bird show. See you later. Bye for now. Bisa mag-train sa dinana, no?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Cebu Safari and Adventure Park proudly presents the Bird Show. Introducing our host for today, Miss Mia.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. Did you see our group of pigeons? Did you know that pigeons were used as a messenger to carry out message to our family, friends, and loved ones? Now ladies and gentlemen, please relax and enjoy as our flying feathered friends are going to show us some amazing tricks, awesome stunts, guest participation, and important environmental message. Now, are you ready to be amazed by our flying feathered friends? Okay, great. So let's start with my partner here on stage, Mr. Chris, to welcome our going to Amigo. So Amigo originated from South America, and he inhabited in the rainforests of Brazil. And by the way, Amigo is a responsible bird, and he loves to see his environment. You already pick up the plastic cup. What do you touch it? Open the bin and drop it inside. Good work. Next one. Okay. Pick up the Coca-Cola can or your beer can. Open the bin and drop it inside. Next one. Harry, Hardy, Tony, Matt, Kyle, and Carl. And one green rainbow. Some cats are really an active bird, and whatever environment they're in becomes quite normal to them. So if they're surrounded with many people, they will accept many. Jumbo!
Jumbo!
Good bird. So because of their long tail and feathers, it can grow this and spread. So let's take a look at the picture carefully. How does that sound? Okay. First letter. Pick up the letter T. Good job. Next one. Pick up the letter I. Okay. What's next? You pick up the letter G. Good job, honey. And you pick up the letter E. Good. Go ahead. So just making sure. E or E. Pick the next letter. Okay, you pick up the letter R. So that is spelled C-I-G-E-R. Is that correct?
Yes!
Okay, please. Next word. So you can observe our birds are free to fly, so we do not clip their wings so that way they can exercise their natural behavior. Okay, ready to start? How about cat? Ruby bark. Of these birds And the one with the long and colorful tail, that's our male peacock, which is called peacock. And the one without tail is our female peacock, which is called peahen. And when they produce a baby, it is called peachin. Okay, so we take their tail. And by the way, we have 4 types of peacock. We have the white, green, violet. Okay, good catch. So we have here Mr. Chris. He has the real food or the real prey. This hunter will not let go forward without an exchange. So what you can observe, Mr. Chris is wearing a thick glove. It is for the protection of the large and sharp talons of our birds. So Philippine hockey goes under the red list of IUCN as endangered species. Look at this to me. So we have here the 3 types of loris, our basking loris, our chattering loris, and the red blue loris. And to make this more memorable, we have here the symbol of love. Prosperity and harmony are group of pigeons. And also our scarlet ibis, all the way from South America.
Close na siya.
Okay, so before we totally end our show, let me introduce to you the people behind the success of our show. My partner here on stage, Mr. Chris, together with Marina, our other bird trainer, Mr. Irvin, Mr.
Oh. Some cactuses. Oh.
Try to touch it, Rocky. Kinakasuway, di ko kay.
Uy, makatulog sa tinod.
Tinuod jud kay sus kay grabe jud kay buhat kay kana bitang gitry lang nako inaani gito siya kay ay nana kay. Kana siya nga cactus.
Kusunod sa Pilitiox, Mickey Mouse.
Kana amang ko gipalit.
Kana siya.
Kana gibutang sa gamay nga kaang.
Ingot ba yun?
Kaila ka dahika
Kaya mo man siya ay.
Ulami.
Oh. Oh. It's gonna be very quick because I'm running out of battery na. So I think I'm going to grab this opportunity to say thank you to the Lee family, to Auntie Kat, to Daddy Yo and Mamila. Again, thank you so much for bringing me here again sa Cebu Safari and Adventure Park. It was a great experience seeing those animals again, and I hope nalinoro mo kapag lingawa na ako mga palangga. So again, dito say goodbye na ako, wala na ako battery. So always remember to be safe, keep safe. Bye-bye and love. Bye-bye. Wala ko battery. Goodbye na good.